Friend of the Sea has supported a project for the cleaning up of beaches at some of the major Italian national parks. The cleanup was sponsored by the tuna company Generale Conserve, producer of the tuna, mackerel and sardine brands Asdomar, certified Friend of the Sea. The parks of the delta of Italy's longest river, the Po River, and two important parks in Tuscany, the Maremma Park and the Park of San Rossore. Over 20 kilometers of beaches have been cleaned up by 100 people, among which several schoolboys and girls. Almost 10 tons of waste has been collected. The cleanup has been widely promoted and made people aware of the problems related to waste being disposed of in the environment. We are all friends of the sea, and together we can improve the world we are living in. Friend of the Sea is an NGO promoting certified products, seafood and omega-3 oils from sustainable fisheries and aquaculture. Over the years, we have supported several conservation programs for the protection of albatross and marine mammals and the banning of shark fins.